Did you know that you can set up your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone to repeat important alerts? Yes, you get that right. So in order to do this, I'm going to show you how to set this up. So in order to do this, there's a few simple steps that you need to take and you can set this up. So do a swipe up on your phone and tap on settings, then tap on notifications here. You want to tap on advanced settings and you want to simply scroll down to where you have repeat notification alerts. So all you have to do is just simply tap on it and it will take you into the repeat notification alerts where you can simply toggle it on. Now from here, you can simply tap and set those specific applications that you want to repeat. And you can also go ahead and set the repeat interval, which means the time. So you can simply tap on the applications here. You can simply go ahead and find those applications that you want. It could be application from your bank. It can be application from your messenger. It could be application for whatever you want. So you can just simply go ahead and find those applications. And once you do, you can simply go ahead and toggle it on. So let's say I choose Instagram as an example here. Go back. So whenever I receive any notification from Instagram, it will repeat, and I can set the time interval 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. I'll leave it on 3 minutes there. So whenever I receive notifications from Instagram, it will repeat until I simply go ahead and dismiss those notifications. So guys, if you find value within this, go ahead, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below as well, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Right, the last thing I want to share with you guys below is also you can also set up vibration when sound plays. So you can simply toggle it on, guys, and it will also be a useful feature whenever you receive those repeat notifications as well. So very useful stuff, guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.